Hey guys, in this video, I'm going to show you how to mirror keyframes in Blockbench. Mirroring keyframes saves time when animating symmetrical movements. First, switch to the Animate tab. Go to the Animations panel and click Add Animation. Let's create a simple rotation animation. Once the animation is set up, select the keyframes in the Timeline panel and copy them by pressing Ctrl+C on your keyboard. Paste the keyframes onto a different frame or onto the object you want to animate. Now select the keyframes you just pasted in the timeline. Go to the animation menu in the menu bar and select Flip Animation. This mirrors the animation you created. When you play the animation again, you'll see the block rotate back, mirroring the original rotation. And that's how to mirror keyframes in Blockbench. Thank you so much for watching.